Hello, my name is Nidhi Pandey, spouse of Mr. Vikas Kumar Pandey. I have completed BSc with Botany Honours. At present, I am a homemaker and proud mother of beautiful twins. Earlier, I started my career as a banker, but after twins, gave up my job for their better care. I love dancing and listening songs. I was quite shy and nerdy, but I like to express myself through dance. I have performed in various cultural events of HMEL. I love listening old Hindi songs. Especially Rafi ji, Mukesh ji, Lata ji, Kishore ji are my favorite singers. Lag Ja Gale by Lata Mangeshkar is my all-time favorite. Basically, I come from Ranchi, capital of Jharkhand, which is well known for its dense and widespread forest, beautiful waterfalls, and especially for former Indian cricket team captain MS Dhoni. Here in HMEL, I have been living for 5 pretty years. And frankly, I never felt I am not at home, thanks to the lovely people. I would like to thank HMEL and WAC committee for giving us wonderful opportunity to present ourselves. In such a pandemic, when everyone is stressed, scared, you have given us a chance to smile, to bloom. Thank you very much.
Hello and namaste everyone. I am Swati Sharma and I am a stay-at-home mother currently of a 20-month-old toddler. But I have done my masters in bioinformatics and I have worked as an educator for over 7 years. I have also won the Best Teacher Award in Science and Innovation both at district and state levels twice, conducted by the Education Ministry of India. Also, my favorite women are Indira Nooyi and Amal Clooney, but I have a special place in my heart for Amal Clooney because besides her impeccable style and grace, I think she has done a remarkable job in the area of human rights and she has worked as a wonderful human rights lawyer. My biggest dream in life is to create a chain of educational institutes that provide not only affordable education but activity-based education to young children. I also like to read and write. My favorite writer is Arvind Adiga and my favorite book is The White Tiger. Besides that, my favorite foreign author is Cecilia Ahern and her book If You Could See Me Now is my most favorite. Also, I like to write satire and poetry. I am also a budding cartoonist, so I am also pursuing a course in same. I would like to conclude by reciting a few lines from the poem I wrote last year on International Women's Day. है शक्ति भी नारी, है दुर्गा भी नारी, आए मुसीबत जो अपनों पे तो सती रूप से काली बनती भी नारी, हो चाहे बहाती वो आंसू हजारों, आंसुओं से अंगारे बुझाती भी नारी, चाहे कोई समझे कमजोर जितना, सह के अग्नि परीक्षा हजारों वो सीता, शक्ति भी अपनी दिखाती है नारी। मरियम भी है वो यशोदा भी है, मरियम भी है वो यशोदा भी है, मगर रानी झांसी भी बनती है नारी। दिल उसका फूलों सा नाजुक है माना, दिल उसका फूलों सा नाजुक है माना, मगर रक्षा शिव की भी करती है गौरी, है शक्ति भी नारी, है दुर्गा भी नारी। थैंक यू।
जलवा जलवा Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, Jalva. Give it to me, Jalva. Give it to me, Jalva. Gorgeous with attitude in every latitude. Miss hot booty, come on, baby, do your duty work.
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, किस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत
शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा. Tell 'em like it is, I can't hear. दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, महकश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा, नशा ही नशा. Throw it up, throw it up. जलवा आग सी रवानियां.
हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते, जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे, खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम, दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे. हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, HR एंड बैक टीम. मैं नीतू गुप्ता इटावा उत्तर प्रदेश से बिलोंग करती हूँ. HMEL टाउनशिप भटिंडा में रहती हूँ. मैं आपका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया करती हूँ. आप लोगों ने कोरोना काल में भी बहुत अच्छे मनोरंजन प्रोग्राम, इवेंट्स, एक्टिविटीज, कंपटीशन वगैरह सब कुछ कराया. आपने मौका दिया मनोरंजन करने का. आपका मैं आपकी आभारी हूँ. बैक टीम एंड सभी को मेरा धन्यवाद.
Create a beautiful inside and you will look beautiful from the outside. Beauty is not about having a pretty face. It is also about having a pretty mind, pretty heart, and most importantly, a beautiful soul. Namaste. I, Kavyanjali Sharma, born in Lucknow, the city of Nawabs. I met my Prince Charming by the help of my family members and by the grace of God, and decided to tie a knot in the year 2008. I am a proud mother of twin babies, my hero Kavyans and my princess Agrima. Now let's talk about my motto. I really wanted to do so many things for the society, like girl peticide, girl education, and would wanted to contribute in my little way. I suggest all women to make them strong and help others to do the same. I am a teacher by profession and a singer by passion. So let's sing a song, enjoy a song. लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले से, लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले से. Thank you for listening me. Namaste.
Hello everyone. First of all, I really very thankful to all of you for giving me the platform to introduce myself. I am Jyoti Pandey. I am from Ranchi, the capital city of Jharkhand. I am here since last 5 years with my brother Ashwini Pandey. We all family living together over here. I have completed post graduation in history honors, B.Ed in political science and civics. My hobbies are dancing, singing, as well as acting and painting. My strength is my family. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Neha Singh. I have completed my post-graduation in business management. Presently, I am pursuing MA in English from Patiala University. Actually, I'm so much interested in reading novels like William Shakespeare, John, and Henry Fielding. My other hobbies are I love to cycling, driving car. I'm also a good learner and I want to learn new things every day. And one more thing I want to tell you is this, which is the most important part of our life. No one cares about which is your living standard, how you dress up. But the main thing is that how you treat other person, your words you're using when you're with someone. That's it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Amandeep Kaur. I belong to Barnala. I live in Township.
Tell them like it is. I can't see.
Hello all, myself Kathy Shah. I am housewife and I have a son who is 13 years old. I have taken part in this competition to boost my self-confidence. Thank you.
Hello, myself Rachna Rajan Kumar Rana. I am a housewife. I have 2 kids, Jia and Jianshu. They are my life. My hobbies are to make friends and do creative things. I believe, don't worry, be happy. Thank you.